Hello guys, welcome to Belmont Park. This is going to be a video of things to do at Belmont Park. About the games, the rides, and the things to do here at Belmont Park. So I didn't film a vlog here last time just because I didn't have much time. But there's the roller coaster Giant Dipper. I'm going to go on that right now. Okay, so the Giant Dipper is about 8 tickets to ride per ride. So you just go to the ticket booth right there. And there's a lot of things. There's a carousel, there's a pretzel stand, there's arcade games, there's a beach up front, and then there's a plunge all the way in the corner, which we'll get into in just a bit. And from what I've been told, there's a guest saying that they should turn this into an RMC hybrid because they said that the ride is too old. And so they might do a conversion. I believe it's going to have black and red iBox track, just like what they did with the Joker and Air Force One. So one side will probably be a black iBox track, and the other one will be red. I think they're going to keep that same white wood structure on the ride. So, and there's also a little drop tower. There's an arcade back there. There's restaurants. There's a barbecue place. Off the distance, I'm going to zoom in right now. If I could only... Right, there's a barbecue place. There's a burger place. And right there's the beach. So, yeah, about turning this into an RMC hybrid, that would definitely be an updated ride, and probably a lot of guests will enjoy it more. So yeah, here are all the arcade games they have. They have a punching bag game, they have a air hockey game, they have a wheel and spin, they have this, I don't know what this is, they have a coin game, they have skee ball game, and they got a ticket time machine. They even have Pirate Hook, they have price stand, they have this game, the Galaxy game, they have tickets. So they have this jug game, they have all kinds of arcade games in this facade. So it's definitely worth your chance to check it out. Yeah, so right outside of the arcade is the pretzel stand that I showed you earlier. So then there's a little mini crane game. So just all the games that they have right there. Sorry, I'm out of time, so like I couldn't really show you clearly, but like here's the arcade, part of the arcade building here. So there's quite things to do in Belmont Park. I just didn't get a chance to vlog last time just because I ran out of time. But here's the rest of the arcade. It's pretty big inside. They have some games in there. They even have some, it's a Nintendo game. It's like a car racing game, motorcycle. And right up ahead is the beach, right there. No, the one that you see is not a roller coaster. It's just part of a structure. Here's the plunge right here. Now, this was under construction the last time I visited, but I didn't vlog. But there's a pool indoors that just opened in 2017. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. They even have zip lines also. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. So again, here's the pool. Again, here's to take a look at the plunge pool. And there's a lap pool on the other side. So it's covered by a roof. So that's the pool right there. It's about, I think, 2 feet deep here, 3 feet over there. And I think the deepest part is, I think, 5 feet right there. So as you go in the pool. Just to take a look at the pool again. I'm sorry, I was in a hurry. I'm trying to take some time off. But as you can tell, there's a basketball hoop, there's an obstacle course. So the pool is usually shallow. It's about 2 to 4 feet deep. So as I go over, they also have a lap pool up close. So there's quite a lot of things to do here. And then there's a Giant Dipper through the glass. So there's a pool. There's some showers in there. There, take a shower. There's the lap pool, and over there I think it's the gym. So we're not going in there though. So yeah, nice pool. Point out the lap pool is about 6 feet deep, so you have to be a strong swimmer if you wanna go there. So it's 6 feet deep, and I think over there it's about 5 feet deep. So it's 5 to 6 feet is the deepest right here. So yeah, but I think you'll use the pool. Use the pool over there. much, but you have to pay at least. So there's the pool, the obstacle, you can swim there. Over here, I think you need to be a member. And again, the other pool has a basketball hoop, as I showed you right over there. So yeah. So as you walk past the arcade, you have the zip line right here. The zip line goes from there to all the way to the far end over here, Belmont Park. So we're just gonna show you around and see what to do here at Belmont Park. Yeah, so we got some weird pictures in here. There goes the plunge right there. The plunge pool we just came from. We got some arcade games. Pizza place. We got some obstacle course down over there. And they got a pendulum ride called the Beach Blaster right over there that's swinging right now. There's also a chicken wings place. There's a popcorn stand. There's a Dippin' Dots. There's a Dippin' Dots stand. There's a little drop tower ride. There's the pendulum ride, and I think it's probably over. There's another drop tower. There goes the Giant Dipper, which now it's been rumored that this should be an RMC hybrid. Many guests were complaining that the ride's old. It needs to be a retract by Rocky Mountain Construction. There's a baby kitty, I forget what you call these rides, but there's a kitty ride. There's some prizes over here, possibly just some plush toys. There's a stand with snacks. And we already showed you like this part already, so we don't need to. There's a rock climbing wall. So there's a lot to do down Belmont Park. So there's also bumper cars right over there inside. Yeah, so if you come here to Belmont Park, you basically probably will not run out of ideas or things to do. So again, here's a rock climbing wall. It goes all the way up there. And you have to touch the top and you slowly go down. So that's how you win. And there goes the zip line. There's a little maze attraction here. I don't have time to do that right now. So there's an antique car here. Probably only for display. Another punching bag game. It's probably not working at the moment. Photo booths. There's a wings place. I think this is not a gift shop or a restaurant. This is a gift shop. I thought it was a chicken wings place. When we come back all the way around here, we got some buildings really. I think this is the gym. There's some ski rentals, maybe scooters, bikes, paddle boards. So there's quite a lot here to do. There's even some stands right here where you can buy some stuff that are cheap. And there's an elevator up here. Sorry, I thought it was stopping me from recording. And then there's a little restaurant place right there. There's an elevator. There's a beach right over there up front. Unfortunately, it's kind of dangerous to go swimming because there are sharks, they say. But here's the Pacific Ocean. You can swim, or not really swim, but you can technically just look at the water. And so you can also walk, while you're at the beach, you can walk down this little boardwalk and just have a little stroll around, just have a little fun. Then I think this is a bar and restaurant, I suppose, and it's called Draft. So you can eat here whilst you're basically sitting by the beach. So then over here we got yeah, there's a lot of places to do. Sorry, the clip was getting too long, but there's also a taco place here. Basically it's not Taco Bell, but it's called let me see, Eagles. I think it's Eagles Tacos. And they serve tacos here and kind of Mexican food. They have an icy stand, which I think is closed, I suppose. the icy stand. We got another Wetzel pretzels. We just got one over there on the other side. And then we got the plunge building, the pool right there. And then we got some cotton candy and ice cream right down just this boardwalk. So there's like a lot of activities to go for. Oops, sorry. We got some seating by the beach. They can just relax by the beach. It's really nice view here. And yeah, a lot of things to do here in Belmont Park. So you probably will not get bored here. Got some shoes that are for sale right here. Swords, some toys, hats, and shirts, and hoodies for about $10. You can buy them each for $10 for these letters. There's a juggler. There's a juggler. There's the Giant Dipper. We're probably gonna head on this way. We're going way too far from the boardwalk. Yeah, so there are shirts, hats right here. If you want to go ahead and buy some souvenirs, go down over here. Also, there's the Giant Dipper roller coaster. It's been rumored now that they finally need to turn it into an RMC conversion. So yeah, I'm gonna go closer to the ride just to kind of. So there's been rumors about guests saying that this needs to be get the RMC treatment since the ride is getting old. They said built in the 1980s, so they need to convert it. And I believe that lift hill will be a little less taller than current height right now. So it goes down. And then this is supposed to be where the Top Gun stall will probably end up being. And it's gonna go right there. I think this will be the step-up underflip of the coaster as it bangs over there, like on the Joker at Joker Kingdom. And then as it goes up, I think that's supposed to be a 0G roll. Down, I think that's just supposed to be just a regular airtime hop. And over on the other side, it's supposed to be just a regular bank turn. So, but with the iBox track. It's gonna do a couple of airtime. I don't think there's gonna be any more inversions on this unless they want to put more inversions. So I believe the other side will be the 0G roll, barrel roll element. Then you just go underneath there and just do your return strip and the ride is over. Now, this as an RMC hybrid will actually look a lot different. So that side will probably be the red iBox track, and then on the right side will be the black iBox track. I believe I heard they're gonna call it the Star Catcher. So the Star Catcher is probably a nice name for this hybrid. So, and then the first drop will eventually be the will be like Nitro at Imagica in India. So that probably first drop is probably gonna look really familiar. So as you go down, probably you're gonna have that same feeling on Nitro at Imagica. So probably that's what it's gonna do, because technically they can't really steep and drop all the way because there are some rides in the way. So we're gonna have to do like that kind of drop, kind of like Gold Striker or something similar to Nitro at Imagica. Just steep into the first drop there and then turn around like kind of like that. So it goes down. So you know what I'm talking about. To end in today's video, I just want to say that there's an escapology. This is an escape room that you have to stay probably there for a long time until it's time to get out, or technically it's just like a little game that you need to play, or actually if you want to play, and you just have to try to get out of the room. So yeah, but we're not doing that today. So yeah, so what are your guys' thoughts of San Diego, Belmont Park, and possibly getting this into an RMC hybrid? So technically, there's a lot that they can do this with an RMC conversion. That, my friend, that little airtime hop could possibly be a barrel roll element over the Belmont Park sign. And then over here will be the step-up underflip leading you to that turnaround, just like on the Joker. And then over here, this is a drop that they can do something like what they have on Nitro at Imagica. So they're gonna have that drop, go steep, and then turns around and go straight into a Top Gun stall, just like on the Joker. So this ride would probably be similar to the Joker if they were to RMC this, but there's a lot of guests complaining that this ride is old, that they need to, you know, they need to redo the ride. So technically there's going to be a barrel and then just a regular airtime hop And then over there will just be a turnaround. Or a turnaround going the other direction, like an axis turn. That would probably be a kickback ride. But other than that, there's a lot of things to do. There's like a big park over there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed in today's video. Peace out.